Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Roberto Bocanegra, and today I'm going to give a presentation about Andrea Morales. Andrea Morales has been my friend for 5 years now. She was born on June 6th, 2003 in Barranquilla, Colombia, and she is 22 years old. Her favorite color is purple. She likes reading romance books and listening to music in English, especially. Okay, um, she's currently studying dramatic arts at the University of the Atlantic and has participated in several plays, such as The Witch Trials of Salem, among others. Her favorite author is Virginia Woolf, and her favorite singer is Taylor Swift. She likes pop music very much. Thank you.